Hello beautiful people, in this video I'll be showing you how to make money online with a laptop as a complete beginner. I'll be showing you 3 options on how you can start making money online with your laptop from anywhere in the world. All you'll need is internet access, which you obviously have if you're watching this video right now. So for these 3 examples, I'll be using YouTube since we are already on YouTube, and no, you don't have to create any video or do any audio or anything like that. With these 3 steps that I'm about to show you, they are easy to do and beginner friendly, and I'll be showing you examples of how persons are doing this and making anywhere from $100 to $500 per day. The first option that I will be showing you is affiliate marketing. For example, if you should go onto YouTube and you should type in best projector under $100, you will see these videos pop up. And with each of these videos, persons are watching these because they are interested in buying a projector. And as you can see right here, with the VPD, that means video views per day, this person is getting over 2,000 views per day. And on average, normally 3% of those convert to buyers. So this person is making a lot of money per day. But I'll be showing you videos of persons that are doing this without showing their face. As you can see, this one right here, this person only has 3,000 subscribers, and they released this video 13 days ago, and already it has gotten over 100 views. And you can see this one right here gets over 200 views per day. So these persons are doing this without showing their face, as you can see here, and they are making money doing affiliate marketing. How does this work now? You would simply go onto Amazon, and from here you can simply type in, for example, gaming headset, and you would search for the top 5 or the top 10 gaming headset, and you're going to select each one. For example, this one right here, and if you should scroll down, you will see videos, and you're going to download the video, and from here you're going to download the video and you're going to combine the videos. You can use websites like Canva to create this video, and I've also done other videos on how you will be able to download the video and combine it, and also how to do keyword research. So in this video I'll simply be running through it. I won't be going into detail. Another option that I would recommend that you do if you want to start making money online from your laptop is by simply using sound effects. As I can go onto this YouTube channel right here by the name of Sound Library, and by the way, there are numerous channels just like this that all they do is simply upload 3 to 2 second videos, as you can see right here, and they are making over $100 per day. In fact, this person hasn't uploaded a video since the past 7 months, and if I were to go onto Social Blade, you can see right here that they are getting over 100,000 views per day. This is the same channel right here. You can see that they are getting consistently over 100,000 views per day, and I'll be showing you how this channel right here is able to make money. You can simply go onto YouTube and you can type in any sound effect, as you can see right here, and you will see a channel like this. Once you go onto their channel and you tap on the sound effect, obviously you want to use that sound effect in your video, so you are thinking about downloading it. Well, the creator of this channel makes it easy for you to download the video, as all you'll have to do is simply go down to their description and you will see a link, free download link. You are going to tap on this, and once you have tapped on this link, the creator of this YouTube channel will be able to get paid, as they have signed up with a website just like this one right here by the name of User Upload. So with each upload you will be able to get paid, and depending on the country that the person is in, you'll be getting even more money. For example, if the person is in the United States or the United Kingdom, you'll be able to get anywhere from $5 to $15 per 1,000 download. And as you can see here, as I told you earlier, this person is getting over 100,000 views per day. so you can imagine the amount of money that this person is making. Also, when it comes to this method, I've done videos on how to do this, so you can simply check out my YouTube channel and search for this. The third option that I would recommend that you give a try on how to make $100 per day using your laptop is by simply creating a website. You can create a website just like this one right here by the name of Deleting Solution, as all they do is simply go onto YouTube, find videos that persons are searching for, and then they put it onto their website. And once the person goes on their website, as you can see right here, there are ads on the website, so that's how they are able to get paid. They do not create any of these videos, as they simply embed the video from the YouTube channel and they copy the first sentence. As you can see right here, this is all the typing they do most of the time. They simply put answer and put yes, and then they would paste numerous videos, and that's it. So that's how they are making money with this website. And you may be wondering how much this website is making. Better yet, well, if I were to go onto SimilarWeb to look on some statistics on this website, you can see that they are getting over 2.8 million views per month. So that's a lot of views, and with a lot of advertisements, as you can see right here popping up, you can only imagine the amount of money that a website like this is making. And there are numerous websites like this, as you can see another example right here, and all they do, as I said, is simply copy and paste the YouTube video, and then they would write out like 2 or 3 sentences pertaining to that video that they have pasted, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.